Now we can look at the temperature. Look at the temperature. Gold melt in 1,150 degrees, and we're already at 11:55. Okay. So here you go. Come with me. Oh, nice. Now we're gonna have a bar that we melted before. Put some scrap gold. We melt everything. Take a look inside. Zoom in. And when it's gonna melt, it's gonna go down. You know what? We'll put a little bit of borax, a little bit of this good stuff. This is an the piece is already water. Look how this is gonna be water. Water. Look. So zip. Oh, you see? Oh, you don't even know how hot is it. You don't even know how hot is it. Habibi Michael, what's up? I'm in the store. Finishing in the next hour. If you call me in 20 minutes, I'll do it first of all. Woo. Wow. No, it's so fucking hot, it's ridiculous. Come, this also is cool. Wow. Beautiful. Why? Gold. Okay, guys, whoever is familiar with this machine, it's an X-ray gold gun. Actually, it's an X-ray any metal gun, okay? So this machine will tell us exactly the exact content of gold that we have in this bar, okay? Here you go, guys, here you go. Okay, so this, we had a mixture of 10, 14, 18. So we have right around, safe to say, almost 56%, 55.7, and it goes up. Here you go, guys, here you go. So we have 55.77% gold. We have another 8% silver, and some other metals, some nickel, some steel, zenith, iron, copper, 26%. This is the exact content. So if you want to know money-wise, what we're talking about money-wise, we have here 420 grams. So as of today's gold price, we have, here we go, we'll check. We go kitco.com. Today gold price we're trying to sell. So selling is 26.27. 26.27. We'll divide it into grams because that's an ounce price. And grams contain 31.1 ounce. This is fine gold for 1 gram. but we have only 0.557. So 55.7% gold. We have 47.09 a gram. And when we sell, the other people also need to make money, okay? So we'll time this 98%. We're gonna get $46.10 time. We have exactly 420 grams. This is $19,365. Here you go, guys. This is exactly how you buy and sell gold. That's a cat, guys. Fuck the rest, come to the best. BALILI's. Good?
Beautiful.